Okay, so here are the parts. Actually, since I was not recording, I already assembled this off camera. And as I explained in my previous unrecorded video, the screws on this, and I have a little clip I'll show you in here. I did record to get that on video. But the screws don't really fit down in here. And I didn't want to force them all the way down. You can see that the screws are not all the way screwed in. I didn't want to force it all the way down because I didn't want to crack the plastic. But I believe these little parts here are heat resistant. This part is hard plastic, so I'm sure this will probably burn if it gets too hot. I hope I don't, find that out. But I'm going to test it out and see if this is heat resistant. So this did come with 2 little pads that you can press on, which is great. So I like having 2. That's awesome. It actually came also with a t-shirt that's quite flimsy, I must say. And I guess a little image you can use to practice on. And this t-shirt, I guess, is just for practice. It's probably really not for you to wear because it is quite thin. And then you have the actual heat press here. And I got mine in mint green, as you can see. And it fits right down inside here. I'm going to test it off camera. I'm not going to do it on camera. If you guys want to see me do this, then you can just let me know in the comments that you want to see how it actually works. But I'll leave a link down below to the heat press. And what it is, this heat press is comparable to Cricut's 12 by 10 inch heat press, the Cricut Easy Press. It is $279.99 as of today, which is what, September the 2nd, and they have it on sale for $199. I purchased this on Amazon for $129.99, and I believe that they have a discount on it, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it says you can save an extra 10% when you apply the coupon, so you can get an extra few bucks off of this. So what I did notice on here was that this has quite a few. You know what? I could be wrong. Let me see. I don't want to say it has scratches on it because it looks like this could be a protective covering. Oh, let me see if I can test out this theory. I think it is. Because what I was gonna. Oh, okay. So this is actually. Let me move it closer. This is actually the protective covering. So cool. So I was like, wow, it has a lot of scratches on it. So it's quite smooth, which is really nice. So it's not all scratched up like I thought it was originally. The interface of this is quite simple. I looked at the directions. It seems pretty easy to use. I'm going to test it out and see and let you guys know if you care. And it comes in 4 colors. Like I said, I got the mint green. They have another color that's similar to like the raspberry or something, I think, that Cricut sells. But I'm going to try this out. Hopefully it works for my t-shirt projects. It should. It's so much easier to use these than to use the actual heat press, because this, you can move this around. The heat press has to stay in one spot. I prefer to work standing over my t-shirts. So hopefully, this will do what I need it to do. And it comes with the, I didn't take it out of the plastic, the power cord. It's a pretty thick cord. So yeah, that's really it. I wish I could have unboxed this on camera. I thought I was, and I was not recording, but that's really it, guys. Let me know if you are interested in seeing how this performs before you buy it. I'll leave that link, and I'll also do a follow-up if you guys would like that. So, but that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified when I upload new content. And there would be no Lady Scorpio Creates without your support. So thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And mosey on over to my socials below in the description and holler at your auntie. I'll see you all in the next video. Love you, honeys. Bye.